Well, I'll tell you, if you want an under 20 foot and just over 3,000 pound, able to be pulled with an SUV, this is your camper. Man, it is just a nice little package. So right up front here, we're going to fill the propane tank for you. We're going to give you a brand new interstate battery in a box. These have a little 12 volt shutoff switch right down there. These light up. There's a switch underneath that lights those up so they look really cool in the dark. And then 6-gallon water heater, black tank flush. Now I'm pointing this stuff out because not all campers that are this size, this kind of price range, have all this stuff. So 30 amp service right there, cable and satellite hookups. They're backup prepped for a backup camera, and it's also prepped for a ladder. And then swinging around to this side, you got a nice big awning right there. It's not huge, but for the size camper, I mean, it's almost the whole way, and there are awning lights up there. JBL audio, outside power, and then under here, you got a nice big underneath storage. We'll go take a look on the inside real quick. So, really super easy to use Murphy bed. So, nice cushy couch during the day with some end tables, charging ports, and then you fold this down. I'll try to show you. And I'm going to do this one-handed. Release the lever. This drops down. Pull this forward, and you can leave your fitted sheet on there. And you can see I'll back up, but just doing this one-handed flips right down. You got a little storage shelf up there. While I'm aimed at it, you got your air conditioner, but it's also got a heat pump in it. So really, you don't even really have to, in this size camper, use your propane heat because you have electric heat coming right there. They used to only be good down to 45 degrees. Now they're good down to 25, so they really pump some good heat. All right, let's see how quickly I can fold this back up. So grab the corner, flip it over, put it up, and then you just basically lock it into place. Well, I'm trying to look at the camera instead of this. There, locked up. And then you take the couch, flip it over, boom. Well, I'm gonna have a seat on it. So while sitting here, you got a nice big 12 volt fridge, and the 12 volt is bigger than a gas electric. It's less than half the price, and it cools faster, so it's a triple win. Microwave up there, sink, 2-burner, stove, all your storage. Like I said, JBL audio, gas and electric water heater, electric awning. Swing it over to this side. Cool little bar setup. Great price on this. I'll tell you, for $16,997, can't go wrong. Pleated shade. Comes with the TV. Your thermostat's right there. Storage over on the side here. And we're gonna go into the bathroom real quick. So a mirror right in front of you there. And then you have the tub. Oh, we gotta clean the sawdust out of there. Just came in from the factory, so I wanted to show it right away. But there's your shower, skylight, little shower curtain, foot flush toilet right there, and your shelves, so you can roll up your towels and put them in there. You got a little spot to hang your, well, you could either hang towels or a robe or whatever you might want to hang on a little shelf. You got some power in here and your light switch. So I mean, a lot of camper for the money. Easy to use Murphy bed. So this way you have a table, couch, and a bed all in a little package. And like I said, right here, that's the overall length, bumper to hitch. That's the dry weight. MSRP, our price. Awesome. Come in and check it out. You will not be disappointed. All that stuff is listed on the website too. There's your tank sizes. Look at the size of those tanks. I mean, that's pretty big for a small camper. So thanks for watching.